Friends, today we are doing the last lesson in uhhibu arabiyyah, the first book. So this lesson is دكان الملابس, which means the clothes shop. So let's read the lesson. أريد بدلة للبني. So the man is saying, I want a suit for my son. So the man is asking, ما لونها, what is its color? So the father is saying, أريد قميصا أصفر. So I want a yellow shirt للبدلة, for the suit. So the man is saying, تفضل ادخلوا هذا الغرفة. So yes, please enter this room. So the next one, القميص مناسب. أريد حزاما بنيا للبدلة. So the man is saying, this is the perfect shirt. I want a belt, a brown belt for the suit. So the shopkeeper is saying, هذا حزام بني. So the shopkeeper is saying, this is the brown belt. So in the next picture, we can see the boy is saying, أريد حذاء بنيا للبدلة. So I want brown shoes for the suit. So the shopkeeper is saying, البس هذا الحذاء. So which means wear or try on this shoes. الحذاء المناسب. أريد جوربا بنيا. So the boy is saying, the shoe is perfect. I want brown socks. So the man is saying, هذا جورب بني. This is the brown socks. Now the boy is saying, well, and now, أين بدلة? Where is the suit? So the man is saying, البس هذه. So he's saying, wear this. So the boy is saying, لا هذه بدلة ضيقة. أريد بدلة ثانية. So the boy is saying, no, this is a tight coat or a suit. So then he's saying, I want a second suit, another one. So the man is saying, البس هذه. Try this. So the boy tried it and he's saying, لا هذه بدلة واسع. So he's saying, this is a wide coat. So the man is saying, آسف, I'm sorry, ما عندنا بدلة ثالث. So we do not have the third coat. So first one, يدخل بدر وأبوه دكان الملابس. So which means Badr and his father is entering the clothes shop. Second one, هو يريد بلدة بنيا. So he wants a brown coat. Third one, يشتري بدر قميصا أصفر للبلدة. So Badr is buying a yellow shirt for his coat. Fourth one, ويشتري حزاما وحذاء وجوربا. And he is buying belt, shoes and socks. Fifth one, البلدة ضيقة. So the coat is tight. يلبس بدر بلدة بنيا. So Badr is wearing the brown coat. The next one, يلبس بدر بدلة ثانية. So Badr is wearing the another coat. هذه البلدة واسع. So this is the bigger coat or the wide coat. The last one, ليس في الدكان بلدة مناسبا للبدر. So this shop does not have a perfect coat for Badr. The next page has all the vocabulary. The first one, جوربا, which means socks. Second one, جورب أصفر, which means yellow socks. The third one, كرة صفراء, which means yellow ball. So you must be wondering, why is it safra here and asfar here? So asfar is the masculine form of yellow and safra is the feminine form. So the fourth one, hizaun buniyan, which means brown shoes. Fifth one, hizamun, which means belt. The sixth one is lawan azrak, so which means blue color. Then we have al-badalatun, which means a coat. The next one is al-waladu thani. So he is the second boy. Then we have as-sayyaratun thalithun, which means the third car. Thalith is third. And the last one is qamisun wasiyun, which means a wide shirt or a loose shirt. Qamisun daikun, which means a tight shirt. And qamisun munasiba, which means a perfect shirt. We are going to learn about hal, and we have to, hal means is it, okay? So we have to say yes, naam, or no according to the picture. So the first one is already done. Hal turidu hadha al-hidha. So the man is asking, do you want this shoes? So the boy is saying, naam, hadha al-hidha munasib. Yes, this shoe is perfect. The next one's also done. Hal turidu hadhi al-badalatun. So do you want this coat? So the man is saying, la, hadhi al-baladatun doikun. No, this is a tight coat. So we have to fill in the blank for the third one. Hal ta'khudina hadhi al-ulba. So we can see that a big ball is in a small box. So the mother is asking, do you want to take this box? So the girl is saying, la, hadhihi ulbatu sagiratun. No, this is a small box. The next one, hal ta'khudhu hadha al-qamis. So the man is asking, do you want to take this shirt? And you can see it's quite loose. So we have to say, la, hadha al-qamisu wasiyun. So we have to say, no, this is a loose shirt or a wide shirt. And the fifth one, so we can see, hal tashtari hadha al-hizama. So the man is asking, do you want to buy this belt? And we can see he is not very satisfied with it because it's very long. So we have to answer, la, no. هذا الحزام طويل. This is a long belt. Last one, هل تحمل هذا الحقيبة. So do you want to carry this bag? And we can see the boy is feeling very uncomfortable carrying it because it's heavy. So we have to say, لا, هذه الحقيبة ثقيل. So this is a heavy bag. Page of this lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn uridu, which means I want, and then we have to answer as tafaddal for the masculine and tafaddali is for the feminine. So the first one already done. Uridu qamisan abyad lil badalatan. So the man is saying, I want a white shirt for this coat. So the shopkeeper is saying, tafaddal al qamis. So here you go the shirt. The next one, uridu jawraban buniyan lil hidai. So the boy is saying, I want a brown socks for this shoes. So the man is saying, tafaddal al jawraba. So here you go the sock. So the third one, uridu hawdan saghiran lil samakata. So I want a small, a bowl, fish bowl for the fish. So the man is talking to the girl, so he has to say tafaddali. So tafaddali al hawd. So here you go the fish bowl. The fourth one, uridu baytan saghiran lil kalbi. So I want a small house for the dog. So we have to say tafaddal al bayt. So here you go the house. The fifth one, uridu hibran aswad lil qalam. So the man saying, I want a black ink for the pen. So we have to answer tafaddal al hibr. Here you go the ink. And the last one is uridu haqibatan sauda lil kutub. So the girl is saying, I want a black bag for the books. So we have to say tafaddali because she's a feminine. Tafaddali al haqiba. Here you go the. So I hope you like this video. Please do give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe for more such videos.